yes, this is going to be the last video we post before the Uniswap listing. Last price update, sorry. And this is going to be absolutely historic. So make sure you're taking notes and make sure you watch this video till the end because things are going to get really interesting. Now, guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, turn the bell notification on so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. And with that being said, let's get into the video. So I've cleared up the charts for you guys just so we can do this from scratch. We can look at where price is. We can have a look at where price was yesterday and where price could potentially go next. Well, there's going to be a twist to that. Now, make sure you watch this till the end. Firstly, I would like to say thank you all for those of you that have been on this journey with us from the start. You've been incredible. This has been an incredible 3-month journey, and this is just getting started. Remember, you could stay up to date with our community, our Telegram community, by clicking the link in the description. But please make sure you have the Telegram app downloaded, otherwise the link in my bio will not work. Remember, guys, click the link in my bio, my description to join that Telegram channel. Now, price again, as I predicted, if you go back to my recent videos, is stuck in the range. And guys, I did say that would happen. I said price would not leave this range. Well, scenario 2, remember, I said price will not leave this range, and then potentially on the listing we could see price rocket to the upside, right? And that's exactly what we're seeing. Now, if we look at the recent trades, we did see a lot of selling this morning, but now we can see the buying pressure start to come on. Now, I will say a rather famous YouTuber that does finance YouTube videos posted on his story this morning that he posted a screenshot and he bought over 12 million OMI coins. This is rather large, so I wonder what's going on, behind the scenes. Obviously, we can see the orders that are coming in and they're flowing in really fast. I'm seeing a lot of greens, so people are anticipating price move to the upside. Now, as you can see, price is in the middle of the range, so not much price action has taken place, or nothing too exciting. As you can see here from the 24-hour lows, 24-hour highs. I mean, not a massive price change, nothing to get too excited about. We're down just under 1% for the day. So people are holding tight. Now, this is what I believe is going to happen. I believe what we could see is today is price continue to range, maybe even edge closer towards this resistance area. And then once the listing does actually officially take place, we should see price fully break this resistance area. So let me just highlight that for you guys now. We should see price fully break this resistance area. Now, the only thing is, guys, if price does not break this resistance area, then what we're going to see is price go all the way back. Let me just highlight this. We're going to see price go all the way back to the bottom of this range, maybe even lower. And this will be, of course, because of people that planned to scalp the market. So people that were in and out. So maybe if you're watching this video, that was your intention. You just wanted to make a quick 100% on this listing and essentially, cash out. Now, if that, of course, doesn't play out, what do you think these guys are going to do? They're just going to either cut their losses, or if they're in a bit of profit, they're just going to close out. Now, this is going to cause a lot of selling pressure, but this is not a bad thing, right? The reason why this is not a bad thing, because it means you're going to see a lot of people, again, buying at a cheaper price, which is going to completely drive price up again. So that's what could potentially happen. That's if the worst case scenario, if things go pear-shaped and this listing doesn't quite work out to what it's meant to be, price is likely to sell off. And that's obviously for the people that are buying in heavy now, right? They will sell it off and price could drive lower than our range. So we'll go lower than 1 cent, right? Our second scenario, let me just delete this. Our second scenario would be price simply breaks this support channel. Resistance channel. So breaks the resistance channel, which is what we want to see. So breaks through. I highly doubt we're going to see a retest. Highly doubt we're going to see a retest of this resistance area. And we could continue just to trend to the upside. trend till the upside, then maybe in 2 days time, or even in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, we start to see price settle a bit and find a new support area, and potentially see price range up until that point. Now, of course, that's ideal if you have been buying for a while, or you're buying based on this listing. That's essentially what you want to see. You want to see volume, the trading volume just increase to the point where we just see a huge breakout. I'm talking the straight line stuff, right? Similar to what we saw here or here, right? We want to see price essentially just continue its trend to the upside. Now, that's the best case scenario, right? That's the best case scenario. Now, here's the last scenario that I'll give. This is also important to take account of. The last scenario that we can see is maybe price does breach this area, but then quickly snaps back into the range, and then we just see price consolidate again. And then we just see price consolidate, basically until we see another breakout. So that's the last scenario, right, where we see the hype, we see our resistance level broken, which is again very likely just when we look at major fundamental data that can actually move the market. So this could be a factor. We see that happen, but then of course a huge profit taking sets in, and then we see price close back inside our our range from before the actual listing, and then we just see price range, and obviously I'll update on what could happen next after that. But obviously we want scenario 2 to happen. That is the ideal scenario. Now, so far my scenarios, the ones that I've actually picked out to be the most likely, has played out. And for those of you that have been following the channel, you would understand that that's the case. For those of you that have seen my previous videos unrelated to OMI, you would understand that that is the case, right? So we do have a high level of expertise when it comes to the technical side of things, and as well as aligning that with the fundamental, right? We have a solid track record. Now, if you want to see what the most likely scenario is and you want to access that, I've actually already posted that in our premium cryptocurrency crypto crew Telegram group, our premium crew Telegram group that is already being posted, right? So the actual specific potential target area, and also what is likely to happen on the day, that has all been posted. So do the maths. Joining just for that event is worthwhile, right? So make sure you click that the link is in my description. So click the link in my description and sign up today. Or you could join the Telegram group first, the free version, standard version first, read through some of the analysis, etc., and then from there you can sign up to the premium. But like I said, if you want to take full advantage of this and see specific targets, as well as other projects that we're in, we've dropped 4 solid gems so far, as well as 2 gems this morning with specific price targets. So yeah, super exciting stuff. But yeah, that's already been released to the premium community. And remember, guys, trade safe, right? Trade safe. Remember, you cannot look at this as a get rich quick scheme. I'm just gonna change my life overnight, which is, as we all know, is secretly possible with the cryptocurrency space, right? But side note, that's irrelevant, guys. We have a whole year to take advantage of opportunities in the market. Please be sensible and don't blow away or get wrecked trying to take advantage of just one opportunity. So please trade safe. Remember, nothing that you see in this video or in my groups are financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. And remember, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. In this video, you just saw the 3 possible scenarios that could take place. And with that being said, guys, happy trading. Hope you all make money beyond your wildest dreams. And with that being said, seize the day.